At no time have we talked with Tim Wanyonyi, either at management level of Ford Kenya or in a structured way, that he's going to be our governor and we are going to campaign for him. So we are so shocked that he's saying that he's not going to buy on a Ford Kenya ticket as if he's a member of Ford Kenya. Ford Kenya is going to have its own candidates who will face nomination and from whom we are going to select who will be our governor. But I want to assure the people of Bungoma and the membership of Ford Kenya that the next governor of Bungoma County is going to be from our party, the party of Ford Kenya. That is the person who will succeed Kenneth Makelo Lusaka, who is a senior member of our party. And therefore, I would like to ask my brother Tim Wanyonyi to campaign freely without mentioning the name of Ford Kenya. Let him come and vie on a party he wants. But we are not also interested in his governorship on Ford Kenya. For about a few months, he's shown us that he's not a leader who can bring people together. Ford Kenya is cohesive and we don't want divisiveness in our party.
Rafiki yangu Mheshimiwa Tim ameonyesha kwamba is not the person that we thought he is. Mtu ambaye anaweza tunganya sisi wote. That's why tunaambia rafiki yangu Tim, now you've crossed the red line. Now you've clearly shown that you are not a friend to us, you are not one of us, na sisi moving forward we are going to handle you as such.
Leo hii umekuja peupe kinakaubaka ukasema ya kwamba hauhitaji sisi. Kwa hivyo nasi pia tunakuambia tunaheshimu maoni yako. Hatutakuhitaji lakini sisi tutaendelea kusonga mbele. Kitu ya muhimu ni kwamba mheshimiwa umetuondolea muziko ambao ulikuwa mapekani mwetu. Kwa hivyo sisi kama chama cha Ford Kenya tuko kangari na tutahakikisha ya kwamba hata na sisi pia hatukuhitaji. Na tunawaambia wafuasi wetu wale ambao tunawapenda na tunawasihi waache utembee peke yetu so that mheshimiwa Tim apaki kwake na sisi tuendelee kuhakikisha kwamba hii kaunti inahitaji watu ambao wana heshima, wana ukakamavu.